If you accidentally ruined your stainless steel like this, don't touch anything yet, because what you're seeing right now looks permanent. Rust, deep stains, dull surface. But in the next few minutes, I'm going to bring it back to life. Watch this carefully. This is my staircase railing. It used to be clean, shiny stainless steel. But after testing the wrong chemical, it turned into this rusty mess. And here's the scary part. Most people make it worse. They scrub too hard, use the wrong products, or even damage the metal permanently. So if your railing, sink, or any stainless steel is starting to look like this, you need to stop what you're doing. I've been there. You try to clean it, but the more you touch it, the worse it looks. It feels like you've destroyed it for good. But here's the truth. Rust on stainless steel is fixable. You just need the right method. No expensive tools. No complicated process. Just the correct steps. Let me show you. First, I'm using a green scrub pad. Not too rough, but strong enough to break down surface rust. Next, a rust removal solution. This is important. You don't want something too aggressive, because it can damage the metal underneath. This type is designed to dissolve rust safely. Alright, let's start small. I'll apply a small amount right here, and gently scrub in circular motions. No pressure. Let the chemical do the work. You can already see it reacting. The rust is starting to fade. That dark orange color, slowly breaking apart. Listen to that sound. Pause for ASMR scrubbing. This is where most people go wrong. They rush. But if you slow down and stay consistent, the result is completely different. Let's keep going. Now I'll move to a heavier rust area. Same process. Apply, wait a few seconds, then scrub gently. You can see the contrast now. Left side, still rusty. Right side, starting to shine again. That's the original stainless steel coming back. No repainting, no replacement, just proper cleaning. Let me wipe this section. And look at that. The shine is back. Take a look at this. Before, completely covered in rust. After, clean, smooth, reflective. This is the difference between guessing and knowing what to do. And the best part? Anyone can do this at home. Quick tip. After removing rust, always rinse and dry the surface completely. Water left behind can cause rust to come back. And if you want to protect it long term, you can apply a thin layer of oil or protective coating. This keeps the metal looking new longer. If this helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more real cleaning transformations. I test everything on real surfaces, so you don't have to risk yours. And if you have a cleaning problem you want me to fix next, leave it in the comments. See you in the next transformation.